Hey, if you want to count steps on the Xiaomi Watch S3, we've got actually two methods. First of all, your watch is counting steps automatically, but if you want to get this data, you can actually get this on the two ways. So first of all, you can get it straight on your watch by selecting one of the widget, for example, this one. I would like to get the step counter right here, so I have to click and hold with my finger. Now I can select one of this widget, for example, let's get rid of the stress. And now I can select the different things. So let's get the steps. And now I can just click here, click on one of the widget and just go back. And now as you can see, that's our steps counter. The second method to check the steps, it's actually to go into the Mi Fitness application, select health, and when you scroll down, you can find your daily, weekly and month steps and the distance. And the second method to measure steps is to open this workout menu by clicking here on this button. If you didn't change the button function, but if you change it, click here, open apps, now go into the workout and select walking. And right now, when you start walking, for sure right now it is not working because I'm not wearing my watch, but if you put it on the wrist, you can actually start walking. You can additionally change the steps goal, get some reminders, enable the automatic pause, and you can just start walking by clicking go. So yeah, that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.